floor, it's time to play.
Oh yeah!
Move to the rhythm, let's dance today. With Miss Shauna, we'll spin around.
Spin, spin!
Jump to the music, it's a happy sound. Little dancers, let's go, go, go. Shake it high, shake it low, low, low. Clap your hands and stomp your toes. Little dancers, feel the show.
Hi, little dancers. My name is Miss Shauna, and I'm so excited to dance with you today. We're gonna move our bodies, learn new dance moves, and have so much fun together. Now, let's warm up our bodies, but wait for this message. First, let's reach up to the sky like we're picking apples from a really big tree. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's reach to our toes like we're getting a special treasure from the sand. So reach down, grab the sand, you got it in your hand. Down, up, good job, down, up. Nice stretching, one more time, good. Now, let's march in place like we're in a big parade. March, march, good job. Here we go. March to the beat. March to the beat, good job. This is so fun, little dancers. Are you having fun? I'm having fun. My body's getting nice and warm. Let's lift up our knees like we're stepping over a big puddle. Whoa, whoa. So lift your knees high like you're stepping over a puddle. Whoa, whoa, good. You're stretching your hips right now. Step over the puddle. Woo. Next, let's twist our bodies like we're friendly little owls saying hi to our neighbor. Hoo, 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 hoo. Great work. Let's pretend we're tall giraffes trying to reach leaves in a tall, tall, tall tree. Stretch your neck, up, 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 up. Great work. Up, up, up. Stretch. Great job. Time to be strong and mighty like a lion. We're gonna crouch down and give me a big roar. Good job, Owen. Crouch down, roar. Good job. Good roar, Owen. Good roar. Crouch down, roar. Down, roar. Roar. Now let's shake, shake, shake like we're maracas trying to shake it out. Ready? Shake, shake, shake. Are you ready to dance? I am. Let's go. All right, first up is the silly dance. We're gonna jump around for 8 counts, we're gonna clap for 8 counts, and then we're gonna spin around for 8 counts. Let me show you. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Clap your hands and make a sound. Spin around, but don't fall down. Jump around. Clap your hands and make a sound. Spin around, but don't fall down.
Wow, little dancers, you're doing such a good job. Now let's do the freeze dance. So when the music plays, we're gonna freestyle and we're gonna dance and move. When the music stops, you freeze in the spot, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome job, little dancers. Now we're gonna do follow the leader. I'm gonna do a move for 8 counts, and then you're gonna follow for 8 counts. Ready to do follow the leader? We're gonna start with the robot.
Move your arms like a robot, nice and slow. Bend and stretch, now here we go. Clank, clank, lift them high. Drop them low and wave goodbye. Move your arms like a robot, side to side. Straight and stiff, real robot pride. Beep, boop, bop, now freeze right there. Robot arms up in the air.
That was so fun, little dancers. Kind of felt a little silly, didn't we? Now we're gonna roll our arms. Guess what, little dancers? I have something very, very cool to tell you. You just learned a whole dance routine. From the beginning warm-up to everything you learned in the middle, we can put it all together to do one dance. Are you so excited? Yay! I'm so proud of you. job today, little dancers. Now it's very important to cool down our bodies before we go on with our day. We're gonna start with deep breaths. In, out. In, out. In, out. In, out. Awesome job. Now give yourself a great big hug, or your friend a great big hug, or your parent, your caregiver, your teacher, a great big hug. Yeah. You deserve it. You did so good today. Awesome job today, little dancers. You can come back and do this video anytime, and I'm gonna work on a bunch more videos for you, okay? I'm so excited that you came here today. I hope you have a great day. Miss Shauna says bye-bye. Have a great day. Bye.